Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start freelancing with Creatively easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, visit the Creatively website and create an account. Provide your email address and set a secure password. Once logged in, complete your profile with your personal and professional details. Add a profile picture that represents you and your brand. Next, focus on showcasing your work. Upload samples that highlight your skills and expertise in your chosen field. Include project descriptions that explain your process. Now, it's time to set your freelance services. Define what services you want to offer, such as graphic design, writing, or marketing. Be clear about your pricing and any packages you might create. Explore the platform's features designed to connect freelancers with potential clients. Review job listings tailored to your qualifications and preferences. Apply for projects that interest you by sending customized proposals. Make sure to communicate your understanding of the client's needs effectively. While you wait for responses, continue to build your portfolio. Consider creating personal projects to fill gaps and demonstrate your creativity. Engage with the Creatively community by joining discussions or forums. Networking can lead to collaborations and new opportunities. Once you start receiving inquiries, maintain a professional demeanor in all communications. Set clear timelines for deliverables and stick to them. Don't hesitate to ask for feedback from clients to improve your services over time. As you gain experience, adjust your rates and refine your offerings. Consistency and professionalism are key to building a strong freelancing career. Stay updated with trends and continue to develop your skills through courses or tutorials. Remember that persistence is essential in the freelance world. Now, you're ready to embark on your freelancing journey with Creatively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.